Infected over 8,000.
The government in Hong Kong has declared a state of emergency against the infectious disease.
Washington State released in the last 24 hours there were almost...
Hey, what's up everybody? It is day 14 of our quarantine here in San Francisco. Supposed to be our last day. We will find out, I think this evening, if we're going another 14 days. But we decided to get out the house. I think I lost track of how many days we were in the house. But enough about you. But we're going out. I don't know where we're going, but we're gonna go for a drive and keep our 6 feet distance from people. I got my mask for backup, but we had to get out and break out before we get quarantined again for 14 days. Who knows? How are you guys handling this situation? Let me hear about what's going on in your life in the comments down below as we go off to this adventure in San I'm free! We're driving to a small grocery store that's open. So we drove around, across the Golden Gate Bridge, didn't get out the car, and then we now up in the Castro. Does your mother know? My mother knows. But you can see it's just 1 or 2 people in the Castro. Back out in the world here. We had to get out and go shopping, so we thought we'd go for a walk and then pick up groceries and get back in the house. What are you guys doing during this San Francisco quarantine? It is day 14 of the quarantine and it's been extended to May 1st. What are we gonna do? Anyway, this is what it is. We have to do what we have to do. So rather than focus on the bad things, I think I'm going to focus on things you can do during a quarantine here in San Francisco. Like we're going to walk up to Nob Hill on the world famous California street with the cable cars. Yep. Although there are no cable cars out because they're on quarantine. But there I go talking negative again. So what can we do? There's no gym, so I'm going to exercise by maybe start walking and then pick up the speed and start running. I haven't run since high school, and I think running would be a great way to get some calories burned. That was a stiff hill, boy. The streets of San Francisco. I think it's one of the most unique cities in the world. You see that bird? Attack me? It's one of the few cities that's on a city in the Western Hemisphere. Like, you got European countries that are on hills, but there's something about it. And this is our reward. Check out this park. It's right on the top. This is one of the highest points in San Francisco. Nice church over there. Waterfall. And as you can see, everybody's keeping their 6 feet. That is the world we live in now. Good afternoon, everybody. How is everybody hanging in there? It is Thursday. I don't even know what day it is. I think it's Thursday. It might even be Friday, but I'll fact check that. It is week 3 now with the coronavirus situation going on. I was counting the days, but it's been so long now, I just count the weeks now. I still can't believe that we're actually still in this predicament. That, how did we get to this point, people? I'm still in that movie stage. Like, are we in a movie? Are we? So what have I been doing? I've been quarantined. I have not been flying. I've been home here most of this time. Well, actually all this time. If you're new to my channel, I'm a flight attendant. So I'm what you'll call a essential worker, that I'm able to work, but I choose not to work. Thank God I was on vacation and I just dropped all my trips and decided to be home until they try to figure this thing out. So what I've been doing this whole time, driving myself crazy, driving my husband crazy, driving my family crazy, just a hot mess. But how are you guys doing? I really came on to see how my fans, my subscribers, my followers, whatever you want to call you guys, are doing. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. So my new obsession has been binge watching on Netflix and Hulu. And I'm doing it around the time where it's like 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm getting jet lag, and, well, it can't be jet lag because I've been flying, but I'm getting, I don't know what I am, but I can't sleep at night and I sleep during the day. I finally got up, washed myself, took a shower. I haven't shaved, but it just feels good to feel clean and in new clothes and outside. When I do go out, I definitely take my little mask here. And I try not to go out unless I really have to, grocery shopping or something, and I keep my 6 feet away from folks. And even with the mask, I even do I might bring a scarf and do like this. Yes, it's Louis Vuitton, and my new cologne is Lysol. This is brought to you by Lysol, and my Germ X. I ordered that on Amazon if you're looking for that. And then I've washed my hands so much, I just have to keep it moisturized, so I've gotten Vaseline. You can't get none of these things in the store. I've been lucky to get them on Amazon, and they've been pretty good. They've been coming like on my Prime Amazon like overnight or 2 days later. So if you can't find anything in the grocery stores, definitely check out Amazon, or even, well, I wouldn't even go to eBay because eBay, they're overpricing, but definitely check out Amazon. Some of the movies I've been Some of the movies that I have been binge watching, say that 20 times. The first one was Tiger King. If you're looking for a hot mess all boiled into one TV series, where I'm not gonna even tell you about the series because it's too crazy, but I do say if you try to watch it, you have to get through the first 3 episodes. It's really nothing much going on, and then it just becomes crazy. It's a gay lion trainer pimping out 2 boyfriends with meth and using tigers in Vegas, and having investors and killing, and people think that one of the women fed her husband to tigers. It has everything into it, so definitely check that out if you're looking for something completely different. But again, I must warn you, the first 3 episodes was like you almost don't want to finish it, but then it gets better and better. The other one I was watching is The Shits. It's a rich family lost all their money and had to move to a small town that the father had purchased for the son just as a joke. And they're stuck in this motel, and it's kind of like Green Acres meets Green Acres, but the modern version of it. Really cute. God, Levy. What is it? The Levy family. The father has the thick eyebrows. I forgot his name. Can't think of it. Him and his son are actually in the movie, and they produced the movie and actually star in it. And it's really cool. That's something that if you're looking for a binge, that's definitely a good one to watch. And then I'm watching right now, I'm gonna finish it probably tonight, is Little Fires Everywhere with Reese Witherspoon and Kerry Washington, and that's on Hulu. All the other ones are on Netflix, but this one's on Hulu. Oh my God, I live for this show. It's everything I was looking for in binge watching. It's just, it's like a page-turning book. It's just, they have cliffhangers, drama, Kerry Washington at her best, Reese Witherspoon at her best. Great casting. It's a good show. Then I also been pulling out some of the classics, like Guess Who's Coming to Dinner, which is starring Sidney Poitier, and The Spencers. That's probably one of my all-time classic favorites. And then I also watched Color Purple, which is my all-time favorite movie. If that's on, I will stop everything to watch that movie. I've also pulled out some of our Ratchet movies, like Friday and The Players Club. I can watch that over and over. That was back in my high school days. And one of my all-time favorite Ratchets is, well, I wouldn't call it Ratchet, but it was Boys in the Hood. That's where Cuba Gooding Jr. got his start. And very good. The director died. What's his name? I cannot think of names today, but definitely check that out, Boys in the Hood, if you have never seen that, and get your black culture on. But I'm running out of shows to watch, so what do you guys are watching? Leave in the comments or on my Instagram at SkyBobbyTV what you guys are watching, or if you have any ideas what I could watch, let me know down below. I've been cooking up a storm, and I've been eating up a storm. Well, I lie. Well, I've been cooking, but I've also been ordering like crazy with Grubhub and Uber Eats. It's way too easy. I think one of the blows to the restaurant business is going to be that once everything gets back to normal, people, will they go back to the restaurants as much, or is it just easy to pick up the phone and have delivered to you, amazing foods and everything? But I try to balance it out to get something for us to do. I also cook, and then Kelly cooks too. And we try to pick theme nights like Taco Tuesday, or pick a country that we've never tried and try one of their cultural dishes like Indian food, Thai food. We've done that. And we've done the American Friday cheeseburger and fries. Getting fat, y'all. The struggle's real. The gyms are closed. The nail salons are closed. The barbers are closed. So we will see how we all come out looking like in a couple of weeks. But it's also gotten my husband and I even closer doing things together. We're always in and out, traveling, and we're actually getting great quality time. So if there's any silver lining to this, that we are getting quality time to be together. And look at this weather. Look how beautiful this weather is. The pollution is not as bad because people are not on the roads and everything. So there is some silver lining to it. A couple things I'm blessed for. Blessed to have my husband, my family. I'm in good health so far, knock on wood. I haven't caught any kind of coronavirus, but it's scary. I mean, when you walk out there, people are looking at you like you do definitely already have it, which I think you should assume that people do already have it. I'm scared of shopping at grocery stores. It's like, people touching everything. So, and it's also, if you're interested in a delivery for grocery, they have something called Instacart. I think it's an app, as well as you can go to the website, and they go to your local drugstore, grocery stores, and they'll do the shopping for you, and they charge a small amount for delivery, but they've been waiving that recently, and you can also buy the year membership and get a better price for that. That's some good out of it. Tell me something about your goods. What are you guys doing? What is the positive that you're getting out of this? There's always got to be a reason and positivity. Is that a word? Positively? What is now? Because I just made it up. I kind of go in and out of being shocked that how did we get to this predicament? Is this really true? It'll be over in a week, but it's looking like this is going to be a couple of months. It's going to be the new norm. Life as we know it, it's not going to be the same. And for people who live our best life, we've been living our best life probably for 16 years, But last year and early this year, we were doing it, folks, and just crash, bang, riggedy, riggedy, and just and not the freedom that we had and the things that we took for granted is definitely, it's hard for me to stay in the house, y'all. It's hard, but I know it's the right thing to do, to stay home until this thing, until that whatever thing they're calling to go back down, especially for our healthcare workers. They're out there for you, so we should stay in. Even as an essential worker, I'm doing my best to stay at home. I miss my flying partners, I miss flying, I miss travel blogging for you guys, so I'm doing more of just, can we chat? Yeah, so bear with me. I'm kind of coming up with some content for you guys and keep this thing going. So what I've been doing, adding to my content, is doing live shows. I was doing like every day and then every other day. Now I'm just doing it when I feel like it because honestly, I stay up until 4 in the morning, then I'll go to bed. I'll get up about 6. I'll move to the couch. Kelly moves into the office. We chit chat for a little bit. I remember I got to take a shower and brush my teeth, cook a little dinner, and then repeat. I've been doing that for 3 weeks. In the live shows, you guys can interact. I will give you like an hour or two notice when I am posting live, so that way you can come on in when I'm live. And if you didn't catch it live, I'll be posting it afterwards. And then last but not least, I do know like 4 people who've tested positive for the coronavirus. I know 2 other people who have the symptoms but can't get a test. I think that's when it hit home to me that people I know are actually in a situation and they're healthy, they're in their 30s, 40s, one's in their 60s. So it's real, y'all. Anyway, I'm going to get off this, so I won't make this video too long. I thank you guys for watching this channel and staying with me. If you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below to get some more of this. And if you need me every day, I'm always on Instagram at SkyBobbyTV. You can also catch me at Bobby Robert Emery on Facebook. That's more my family one, but you know, I have the public forum open, so if you guys want to check that out as well. That's all about me. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, girl. Bye.